Okay, little sneak peek of the CRF so far. Definitely coming together nicely. Gotta wait for more parts to come in. I just put these wicked metal design pegs on. Pretty happy with them. I had to trim the stops a little bit, get them sit where I wanted. But this is the first time I've been able to actually put some weight on the trike. So let me show you that. Very happy with it. Very even. This thing is gonna ride very, very well. Alright, so I didn't get a very good view on that. So check this out. The suspension is working awesome because I strategically placed the carrier so that it wouldn't bottom out. Even running the dirt bike shock, it's something I've been thinking about a lot with all my builds. So this is actually going to be one of the best builds I've ever done, I think. And it's a Honda to boot. I don't really like CRFs personally, but I'm really liking this 2014 TRX that I got going. Anyways, this is Damien with DT Motorsports. Wait for the next video.